Hey guys, are you ready for Number Corner? What month are we in right now? That's right, we are in the month of October, and it stays October for 31 days. Can we sing our October song? Spell October, spell October, spell October now with me. O-C-T-O-B-E-R, O-C-T-O-B-E-R. Spell October, spell October, spell October now with me. O-C-T-O-B-E-R, O-C-T-O-B-E-R. All right, are you ready to see what's on today's card? Do you know what day of the week it is today? That's right, it's Wednesday. Can you say Wednesday? Very good. Can we sing our days of the week real quick? All right, days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Woohoo! And one other thing, I'm afraid you're going to forget your months of the year. So let's sing those really fast. Are you ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Woohoo! All right, so we are in the month of October. Our day is Wednesday. Are you ready to see what's on today's card? Ta-da! What do you see? We have leaves today. Now, can we count the leaves and find out how many leaves are on the whole card? Ready? When we count, every leaf is going to get one number and only one number. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 leaves today. Now look at that 9. It has been pulled apart into this group and this group. We have this part of 9 that's not in the basket, and we have this part of 9 that is in the basket. So how much of the 9 are in the basket? That's right, we have 1 in the basket. Now how many are not in the basket? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 9 altogether, but the 9 is broken into 8 and 1. Now we're going to put this onto a number bond because number bonds help us to put numbers together and take them apart. Put them together and take them apart. Put them together and take them apart. So let's come to our number bond. And remember, mirror words. Number bond. Say it with me. Number bond. One more time. Number bond. So we are grabbing one part, we are grabbing the other part, and then we are putting them together. So look at our card. Remember, we have our leaves broken into 2 parts. How many are in this part, in the basket? There was 1 in the basket. Now how many were in the other part that is not in the basket? There were 8 in that part. Make an S and close the gate. Now, how many are on the whole basket altogether, or on the whole card altogether? When we put the 8 and the 1 together, what's the whole thing? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When 1 and 8 come together, it's 9. When 1 and 8 come together, we have 9. So, we're going to turn this into an equation. Now, an equation is when we use numbers and symbols to tell a story. So we're going to use numbers and symbols. When I say symbols, I mean things like Miss Plus sign or Mr. Minus and equal sign. Okay, do you remember what equal means? Equal means the same. Do you remember what Miss Plus sign does? She puts numbers together, or she goes and gets more. So when we use Miss Plus sign, that means we're putting things together or getting more. Do you remember what Mr. Minus does? He takes things apart or he takes things away. So addition is putting things together. Subtraction is taking it apart. So say this with me. Addition, subtraction. Addition, subtraction. Addition, subtraction. So we have Miss Plus sign, Mr. Minus, addition, subtraction, Miss Plus, Mr. Minus, addition, subtraction, Miss Plus, Mr. Minus, addition, subtraction, Miss Plus, Mr. Minus. Okay, so I want to put the leaves together today. So am I going to be doing addition or subtraction? Addition, because we're putting it together. So for addition, are we going to use Mr. Minus or Miss Plus? Miss Plus is the one that puts things together. Remember, that's why her arms are reached out. So for this, I want to put the two parts together. What are the two parts? 1 and 8. And what symbol do I need to put them together? Plus sign. So Miss Plus sign is going to put 1 and 8 together. And when she puts 1 and 8 together, they are the same as 9. 1 and 8 together is 9. 1 and 8 together is the same as 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. So when we do addition, we're doing part plus part equals whole. Say it with me. Part plus part equals whole. Say it again. Part plus part equals whole. Let's say it. Part plus part equals whole. One more time. Part plus part equals whole. So when we're doing addition, we're taking 2 parts or 3 parts or 4 parts, but we're taking the parts and we're putting them together. All right, so we're going to move on from this and we're going to do our collection. So I'm going to bring you over here and we're going to collect some cubes today. We're going to spin the spinner. Do you think I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, or 4? Look what I got. 3. Now, 3 might look a lot of different ways when I pull it out of this bag. What do you think 3 could look like? 3 could be all blue, so 3 blues and 0 oranges. What else could it be? 3 could be made of 2 blues and 1 orange. See, 1, 2, 3, made of 2 and 1. It could also be made of only 1 blue, but 2 orange. So 1 and 2 could make 3. Or could they all be orange? Yes, it could be that all 3 of them are orange. If all 3 of them are orange, how many blues would we have? 0, you're right. So it could be 3 blues and 0 orange. 3 orange and 0 blues. Are you ready to see what I get? We got a blue. Another blue. And an orange. So let's put this 3 together. Let's see what our 3 is made out of. So we have 3, and my 3 is made of 2 and 1. My 3 is made of 2 and 1. All right, let's put that in there. You think we're gonna get more blue or more orange this month? It's looking like we have an awful lot of blue, isn't it? All right, I'm gonna bring you up here so we can take care of, how many days you've been in school. Let's get a little adjusted here. All right, let's do our chain links today. Can you see your chain links? Great. Okay, we're gonna add a chain link. We're gonna use blue today. I'm gonna add it right here. And we need to count and see how many days you've been in school. Are you ready? When we count, we gotta make sure every chain link is gonna get 1 number and only 1 number. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. You've been in school for 36 days. Do you know what 36 looks like? It kind of looks like a 3 and a 6. But is that really 3 and 6? There's a secret. There is a secret. At first, when you look at it, you think, oh, that's a 3 and a 6. But what's going to happen when I pull this apart so you can see all of it? What do you think you're going to see? What was that 3 really? It was hiding a 0, so it was really 30. And the 6 is really just a 6. So we have 30 and 6. 30 and 6. 30 and 6 make 36. 30 and 6 make 36. 30 and 6 make 36. So the reason that 36 has this 3 is because it has 3 groups of 10. How much is in this full chain? 10. How much is in this chain? 10. How much is in this chain? 10. So we have 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 3 groups of 10 and then 6. Do you know how many chain links it took to make 3 groups of 10? Let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It took, wait a second. That's why there's that 3 there, because it takes 30 chain links to make these 3 groups of 10. So we have 30 chain links over here, and we have 6 chain links over here. When you take 30 and 6 and put it together, you have 36. So, should we add 36 to your number line? And again, remember, it's going to look like a 3 and a 6, but you know that that 3 is really 30. The 0 part's just hiding. So there's your 36. So all of these numbers that have a 3 at the beginning, they have 3 10s. Those are our 30s. All the numbers with 3 10s are the 30s. Do you remember what we call all these numbers with 2 10s? The 20s. That's the 20s family. What about the numbers that have 1 10? Those are the teens. 1 10, that's a teen. 1 10, that's a teen. 1 10, that's a teen. And do you remember what we call these over here? Those are the ones family. Very good. All right. I do want to go over your 10 frames for just a minute. So you're going to tell me how many dots you see. Are you ready? 4, 7, 3, 6, 0, 5, 9, 10, 2, 1, 8, 4, 7, 3, 6, 0, 5, 9. Great job. All right, that's all I've got today. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see you again in person. See you later.